Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel popcorn on the stove. Heat a heavy 4. 5 QT pot over medium, add 2 tablespoon oil and test with 1 kernel. When it pops, add 1/2 cup kernels, cover, and shake until popping slows. Meanwhile, melt 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup butter, and 1/4 cup corn syrup in a saucepan until amber. Pour over popcorn, stir quickly, and bake briefly for crisp. Warm a heavy-bottomed pot and use a few kernels to gauge readiness. This prevents burning and ensures even popping. Keep the lid on but slightly ajar to let steam escape so the popcorn stays crisp. Shake the pot gently over the burner to move unpopped kernels toward heat and avoid hot spots. When popping slows to about 2 seconds between pops, transfer the popcorn to a large bowl and get ready for the caramel. Make a smooth caramel by cooking sugar, butter, and corn syrup until deep amber. Watch closely because it can go from perfect to burnt fast. Pull from heat and whisk in baking soda and vanilla to create a glossy, aerated sauce that coats well. Immediately pour the caramel over warm popcorn and fold gently with a spatula to coat every piece evenly. Spread on a baking sheet to cool and crisp up nicely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.